To make this operation, make sure your machine is off. The fabrics we embroider release a lot of lint. These particles enter the color change mechanism, making it harder for it to function properly. For that reason, we recommend to perform maintenance every 3 to 4 months of use. In order to perform maintenance to the color change mechanism, you will need to remove the cover as shown in this video. This is the gear of the color change mechanism, and every 3 to 4 months it will require to be cleaned and greased. Carefully, remove all the old grease with a rag. After everything is clean, apply new grease with the finger, or if you prefer to use a small brush. Then repeat the same process with all 15 pin rolls. After you applied new grease to the color change mechanism, turn on the machine, and test it by moving the sewing head from 1 to 15. If the sewing head moves smoothly, place back the cover. And you are done.